Mas okay sa akin na pansamantalang maging divided ang Pilipinas kung masosolusyonan naman po itong problema sa korupsyon. Dahil yan po naman talaga mga bossing, ang number one problema ng bansa natin. Paano malutas ang korupsyon? Paghadlangan ang proseso, sabi ni Pures Purple. Correct. Totoo ho yan, mga kababayan. No? O eto pa, may isa pang humahadlang, no? Doon sa Kongreso. Eto, hindi ko na masyadong kailangan magbigay ng reaksyon, mga bossing. Pero pahiyang-pahiya po talaga. Yung anak ni Marcoleta, pahiyang-pahiya ho talaga, mga kababayan. Eto,
If there are no other members who wish to comment on the sufficiency in form of the third impeachment complaint, we shall proceed to hear the position of the endorser of the fourth impeachment complaint.
Marcoleta, pasok!
No more members?
Madam Chair,
We recognize the Honorable Deputy Speaker Paulo Ortega to manifest his position with respect to the sufficiency in form of the fourth impeachment complaint, that is Cabrera impeachment complaint.
thank you, Madam Chair. Maikli lamang po, I would like to manifest that in terms of form and requirements, the fourth impeachment complaint has complied in terms of form, and we have endorsed.
Sandali lang. Nahinto ko lang si Congressman Ortega. Sabi ni I am Batman, yung mag-amang Yoda, naghihiraman yata ng wig. Bakit? Parehas ba? Oh, hindi pa, pag nakita natin. Ha?
It on the date February 18, 2026. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Now we're opening the floor for comments and manifestations of the justice members. With respect to the sufficiency in form of the fourth impeachment complaint, the Honorable Zamora is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. As regards the fourth complaint, the complainant, a certain attorney Nathaniel G. Cabrera, signed the same and also executed a verification which states as
Sandali, mukhang may pumalit kay kay ano pangalan nun? Yung isang congresswoman na maganda na sinasabi nila Maharlika na retoke daw yung mukha.
follows. The allegation
Yung si Migs Nograles, mukhang may pumalit kay Migs Nograles. Ganda din si Madam,
allegations in the complaint are true and correct based on my personal knowledge or based on authentic records. The verification was signed and notarized on February 18 in Quezon City and was notarized by a certain attorney Jason San Buenaventura. The resolution of endorsement by Representatives Benvenido M. Abante Jr. and Representative Francisco Paulo V. Ortega V was signed on February 18, 2026. Both of them subscribed and swore before the Secretary General on even date. So, Madam Chair, we believe that the fourth impeachment complaint is compliant with the requirements of sufficiency of form. Thank you, Madam Chair.
At yung mga DDS, isa-isa na pong mga nag-iiyakan, mga kababayan. Sabi ni Mami, Big Brazos, bye mga ka-solid mark, antok na ako. Pahinga ka, no? Bukas magsama-sama ulit tayo, 10:00 ng umaga. Anthony Cordoba, shoutout din sa'yo.
Any other member who wish to comment on the sufficiency in form of the fourth impeachment complaint? No more? Can we proceed to vote now? As agreed upon at the onset, after we conclude on the deliberation on all the impeachment complaints, which at this point we only have two, the third and the fourth impeachment complaint, we shall proceed to vote. The chair is now ready to hear the motion with respect to the sufficiency or insufficiency in form of the third impeachment complaint.
Madam Chair.
The Honorable Zamora.
Madam Chair,
Sandali Naalala nyo yung mga sinasabi ng mga DDS na wala nang sapat na bilang sa Kongreso yung boboto para sa impeachment ng Vice Presidente? Sila din ho ito, at meron pa nga tayong bagong mukhang nakita. Di ba?
Move to declare the third impeachment complaint as sufficient in form.
There is a motion to declare the third impeachment complaint sufficient in form. Do I hear a second? Is there any objection?
Marcoleta!
Hearing none. The chair declares the third impeachment complaint, that is Father Zabalia et al. Impeachment complaint, sufficient in form. So ruled.
Alright. Nagwawala na yung mga DDS dun sa kanila mga social media. Kasi ayaw nila talagang umabot ito sa Senado, mga kababayan. Pag umabot ito sa Senado, mga bossing, ay nako po, hindi na po ito kagaya nung dati kay Chis Escudero. No? Yung dati kay Chis Escudero, mga bossing, dinribble-dribble eh. Pinagpasapasahan no eh. Ito talagang yung nakasaad po na forthwith, mga bossing, ay talagang mangyayari, mga kababayan. Yung nakasulat na forthwith ay talagang ipapatupad. Baka pagkapasa pa lang, okay, bukas, no? Impeachment court na tayo agad-agad. Dahil si Soto na po. Kaya kung maalala nyo, ano mga pinagsasabi, pinaggagawa kay Soto bago po ito, no? Kung ano-anong mga aligasyon ang ginagawa. Dinudurog nila si Soto, mga bossing, pero wala, hindi nagpatinag po, no? Tuloy-tuloy lang po. At ito ang kinatatakutan nila. Dahil pag umabot sa Senado, magkakaroon na po ng tagisan ng labanan ng ebidensya at ng ano nila, ng depensa nila. Mukhang weak yung depensa nila. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa natin naririnig yung depensa nila.
The chair is now ready to hear the motion on the fourth impeachment complaint. The Honorable Padiernos.
Madam Chair, I move to declare the fourth impeachment complaint as sufficient in form.
There is a motion to declare the fourth impeachment complaint, that is Cabrera impeachment complaint, sufficient in form. Do I hear?
Mukhang walang natatakot na, no, sa mga Duterte. Siguro iniisip nila, wala. Ano lang yan, aanohin ka lang, dadaragin ka lang yan, no?
A second. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none. The chair declares the fourth impeachment complaint, that is Cabrera impeachment complaint, sufficient in form. So ruled.
Marcoleta, sino?
Madam Chair,
Yan na, Mark Peluca, banat!
The Honorable Marcoleta.
point of order. This is not directed to the members of the committee.
Madam Chair,
Ano po ito po?
our good friend is not a member of the committee.
Yeah, but I can.
Perhaps
There's a
you
point
can
of
just
order.
manifest
Or just
instead of raising a
manifestation.
point of order.
Manifestation.
Pagpasok pa lang, Madam Chair, point of order, hindi ka naman daw miyembro dyan. Pahiya agad.
Not
All right,
directed-
you may proceed, Honorable
This
Marcoleta.
is not directed to the members of the Justice Committee,
Ah,
but I observed the presence of Mr. Kiko D from the audience.
sandali, putulin ko ho, mga kababayan, ha. Kiko D, kung maalala niyo po, siya yung nag-thumbs down doon sa Senado, yung gumanon ho, mga bossing. Tapos pinalabas ho, mga kababayan. Yan yung pupuntahin ni Marcoleta, mga bossing.
Though he was allowed to be an audience in the proceedings, despite his withdrawal of the second impeachment complaint, I suggest that he observe proper decorum. Because if you remember,
May we know the action of the Honorable D or Mr. D, which is not consistent with decorum?
I'm just speaking from experience when the
Experience. Nung nangyari doon sa Senado, yun yung gusto niya ipaliwanag. Kaso, tatanungin ho, kung ano ang ginagawa ni D. Nakaupo lang ho yata, mga kababayan.
when the
Which means he hasn't committed any yet.
not yet, but as a forewarn, as a premonition or a warning, he during the archiving of the impeachment at the Senate, Mr.
Madam Chair,
Mr. D.
Madam Chair, wala pa naman palang ginagawa. Let us not,
Wala pa no. Siguro pikon, ano? Pikon, hindi na. Ako sa simula pa lang, alam ko pikon tong mga Marcoleta, mga bossing eh. O, wala pa naman palang ginagawa. Bakit pa palabasin mo na?
Point of order. Let us wait until he finishes and then I will
Just
be
allow me to
recognizing him.
finish. During the archiving of the impeachment, Mr. D booed and made a gesture of thumbs down at the VIP gallery of the Senate.
All right. All right. Honorable Marcoleta, but it is
Let's pretend to
apparent
observe
that
proper decorum.
the Honorable D hasn't committed anything yet which is not consistent to decorum. Would you like to say something, Honorable De Lima?
Yes, Madam Chair, it is completely improper for our colleague here to raise that matter. And he has not
Bakit gano'n yung mga Marcoleta, ano? Sa Kongreso, merong Marcoleta. Sa Senado, merong Marcoleta, mga bossing. Sabi ni I am Batman, mema lang. Biset, oh. Sabi ni, Yulet Reyes, mema lang siya. Oh. Diyos ko po.
cited any act of misconduct or misbehavior on the part of Mr. Kiko D. And alluding
Would you
to
like
that,
to make a
alluding-
motion to that effect?
Yes, my motion is to strike out the manifestation.
Second, Madam Chair. There is a motion to strike out from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. The manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta is hereby ordered stricken out of the record.
Dapat ho yata si Marcoleta pinapalabas sa Kongreso, mga bossing eh. Para nanggugulo lang ho, no?
If there are no other matters which the members wish
Sandali lang ho, ha? Aatras ko lang, mga boss. Sandali lang. Aatras ko lang. Nagtatawanan yung mga audience eh, oh. Asan ba yun? Ayan, nagtatawanan yung mga audience eh. Di ba? Sabi ni Cesar Reyes, puro kulang ang isip at utak ng mag-amang Marcoleta. Grabe kayo.
matters which the members wishes to discuss, the chair is ready to hear your most favorite motion.
Move to adjourn, Madam Chair.
There's a motion to adjourn. The same has been seconded. No objection. Our meeting is suspended until tomorrow, 10 o'clock in the morning.
Diyos ko po, Marcoleta. Naku, alas 10 daw ho yung meeting nila bukas, mga kababayan. So, bukas, ang live natin, bandang mga 8:30 ng umaga. Para hindi tayo abutan nito, para hindi tayo masabay ho, mga kababayan.